Bonjour, aloha, kia ora, mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. If you are new to my channel, je m'appelle Franz Gabrielle. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Luscious Taste, homemade by Franz. Before we start our video, if you aren't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos every week. Please like, share, and if you have any comments or suggestions, you can leave them down below and I will try to make it happen. And I also have a new gaming channel called Franz Plays Games. You can subscribe to there where I make gaming videos and there's a lot of shrieking involved. Hey tasters, it's another day and another video. Today we are bringing you another challenge. This will be called the MasterChef Mystery Box Challenge. This challenge will have me open a mystery box that has a ton, well not exactly a ton, but random ingredients that I will try to cook with. I guarantee you I probably have never cooked with any of these ingredients before and I am really excited. Okay, without further ado, let's go on to this challenge. Do you remember this box? This was from the Mystery Snack Box Challenge with my cousin Faith. If you want to check out that video, you can check out my channel or click the I button somewhere here. Okay, let's open this box. I'm kind of nervous. It's just a ton of vegetables. I think this is leading to something. I'll move this to the side. Okay, so I have butter, I have a bread bun, and there's like, is this iceberg or celery? Iceberg, right? Yeah. They're just trying to make me make lunch. Lettuce. It's lettuce. And then we have a carrot, onion, a few cloves of garlic, the best ingredient ever, and then egg noodles and an egg. Okay, I already have an idea of what I'm gonna make with these. Well, let's get cooking. From all the ingredients we have here, I will be making Filipino pancit. Why? Because the ingredients pretty much tell me to do so. Okay, let's get cooking. I have never made Filipino pancit before, so I don't know what to do. I don't know if I'm supposed to boil these noodles. I'm excited, scared, nervous. I don't know what to do with these noodles, to be honest. They seem like they've already been boiled, but okay, I'm just gonna figure it out on the way. I'm just gonna prepare the ingredients and the utensils I need to prepare the pancit and then we'll get cooking. Okay, so the first step to making our pancit is to cut up our vegetables. Well, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm just going with what I know. I think that's how you're supposed to cut it. Okay. I should have done research. Okay. These are already pre-washed. How should I cut it? I feel like I'm doing this wrong, but okay. I'm just gonna do it. Gonna take the risk. Okay. Okay, it looks good. It looks good, okay. That's just a lot. Now I am going to cut up the carrot. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to make this like small bits, so I think I'm just gonna go with small bits. Oh, okay. By the way, it's only 29 days before Christmas. I'm really excited. And next week is my birthday. I just realized that. I'm turning 11. Oh my god! What gifts are you hoping to receive this Christmas year? A book? A video game? What? Okay. These are not good chopped vegetables. Okay. It was definitely uneven, but this is what I get. Normally my mom or my grandma makes the pancit. We're supposed to wash the noodles. I think this is enough for around 1 to 2 servings. We're just really generous with the vegetables. I'm done cutting up the carrots. And now let's cut up the onion and garlic. Hopefully I don't end up crying like I did in the onion ring video. That hurt my eyes hard. In Filipino cuisine, pancit is noodles. Now that I'm done cutting up the vegetables, I'm gonna toast the bread first and then probably start making the pancit? I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna first toast the bread and then go with whatever. Go with whatever. On warm? Yeah, I think warm is fine. Oh, that's heating up fast! Pancit is served in almost every birthday party. Pancit has a lot of different varieties actually. We mostly see the normal variation of, I think it's called bihon? Bihon, right? Am I right? On birthday parties and stuff. People think it makes lives live longer. I've heard that somewhere, I just don't remember. So I just said it. Okay, I am going to toast the bread. Adding a bit of butter. Okay, there we go. Now let's toast the bread. I'm only going to toast the inside, not the outside. Okay. I don't hear any sizzling. So I think my game plan for this is to saute the onions and then the garlic and then add in the other vegetables, then probably add in the noodles, then maybe add in the egg, then the rest of the seasonings. I'm not exactly sure on what to do, but that's my game plan for now. If something better comes into mind, I'll do that instead. Okay. The noodles already seem cooked. So I don't think I need to cook it longer or boil it like what you would normally do with noodles. Okay, I'm gonna add in the butter. I'm not gonna add in too much because I don't want the butter to burn. Swirl it, swirl it. I'm gonna put the onion first because I don't want to burn the garlic. But once that seems to have a tiny bit of color, I'm going to put the garlic in. Oh, it's actually melting fast if you add in the onion. Or maybe it's just because I'm swirling it around. Oh, that smell. Onion is always good when cooking. In Filipino cuisine, pancit are noodles. Noodles were introduced to Philippines early on by Chinese settlers. So I was kinda right. Like, pancit was kind of introduced by a tribe, I guess. I just researched all this information on Wikipedia and I'm not even sure if it's true or not. Okay, adding in the garlic. It's toasting up a bit. Now add in the garlic. And adding in a tiny bit more butter. Oh wait. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put the noodles first or the vegetables. Oh no. Okay. I'll just go with my gut. And my gut is telling me to shut up and just cook. I think I'm gonna cook the carrots first because the carrots are pretty hard. And then I'm gonna add in the celery with the noodles. I mean, lettuce with the noodles. Sorry. I think that's good enough. I am going to add in the onion. It's okay if you get a bit of celery in there probably, right? Lettuce! Why do I keep on saying celery? I am not craving celery right now. Why am I saying celery? Okay. Saute it a bit. It's still pretty hard. So I think I need to sit here just letting it cook for a while. Maybe I'll give it 3 minutes, then we'll see. Okay, I think this might be done, actually. Oh, nope. Still nope. I'm gonna add in the celery so that... Lettuce! Cabbage! I think I'm gonna add in the egg now, actually. I'm not allowed to take help from anyone right now. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. It's kind of like I'm scrambling eggs. Oh! Just let that fly everywhere. This cabbage seems to be cooking already, so Now I think is the time to add in our noodles. Okay. Or pancit egg noodle. And now I'm just gonna saute it around again. You can also add a ton of other vegetables if you would like. I know my grandma adds in red bell peppers, and it's really, really good. I am adding in salt, 2 tiny pinches, pepper, maybe 1 big pinch, garlic powder and onion powder. That was like a medium pinch. And then that was around 2 small pinches. Okay. Now mix it together. I think I'm gonna try it. Let's see if we did good. Okay. Need more pepper. After this, I'm probably gonna end up watching a YouTube video to see if I did everything right. Which I probably did at least 2 or 3 steps wrong, to be honest. But I feel like I did pretty good. Let's try a bit to make sure it's cooked. We don't want it to still be hard. Okay. Hot. The carrots are still a bit crunchy, but it's actually really good. Okay, I'm gonna plate this. Wow. This looks really appetizing, and you can see like those little dots of pepper. It just makes me want to eat it more. And the beautiful toast on the bread. This looks so appetizing. It looks amazing. It's gorgeous. And I never thought I would make something like this, to be honest, because I'm more of a sweet girl. You probably know that because mainly my videos are sweet. And look at that perfect toast on the bread. This is perfect. Actually, I think I might have made it better than my grandma and my mother. Which, don't tell them that, but I'm a better cook than them. Okay, I think we should try it. Oh, it's hot. It's fresh out of the stove. Oh, ha ha ha. Okay, eat fast. Let's take another bite. It's really good. This is much better than my grandma's and my mother's. I can officially say I'm a better cook than them. I hope you liked our video today, and I hope you learned a few facts about pancit like I did. The outcome was so perfect, though it was challenging, but it was also fun and exciting. And I think every step was perfect. It was worth it. Thank you for watching this video, tasters. That's all for today. Don't forget, be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Lush Taste, Homemade by Franz.